In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from one GoDaddy account to another. Whether you're moving a domain between accounts to reorganize your assets or to facilitate a business transaction, GoDaddy makes it quite straightforward. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to visit the GoDaddy website. You can easily find it by searching for GoDaddy or by typing in the web address. Once you're on the site, we'll navigate to the domain management section. This is where all your domain related tools are housed, and it's the starting point for our transfer. From the homepage, head over to the top corner where you'll see the My Account section. Click on it and this will prompt a drop down menu to appear. From this menu, select Manage My Products. This section is crucial as it holds all the domains you currently manage under your GoDaddy account. With all your products displayed, locate the specific domain you wish to transfer. Once you have the domain in sight, you'll see an option labeled DNS. Click on this to proceed. DNS management is an integral part of domain administration, but since we're focusing on transfers today, we'll move to the next step. Next, within the DNS panel, you'll find the Transfers tab. Select it and then you will see an option titled Transfer Between Accounts. Click on it to continue. At this point, GoDaddy will guide you to choose the domain you intend to transfer. Go ahead and select the domain that's due for transfer. After your domain is selected, you'll notice the Continue button becomes active. Clicking this will open a prompt where you will need to enter the recipient's email address, the account to which the domain should be sent. Ensure this email is accurate, as any mistakes here could hinder the process. Finally, once everything is correctly filled in, look for the option that says Send Transfer Request and click it. This action sends the transfer request to the recipient's GoDaddy account. The recipient will receive an email notification prompting them to accept the transfer. It's important to let the recipient know they should check their email to complete the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully initiated a domain transfer between GoDaddy accounts. Always remember, if at any stage you feel uncertain, you can revisit these steps or consult GoDaddy's customer support for further assistance. Good luck with your domain management, and thank you for watching.